Hi you guys, thanks for visiting Mommy is My Favorite Cook, where we make healthy recipes that your family and you will actually eat. Today I'm going to show you how to bake some of those chicken leg quarters you see in the grocery store, and they're so big and you're like, oh, what do I do with those? They're huge. Well, I'm going to show you how to cook those in a one-pot meal or a one baking dish meal. But before I show you that, go ahead and like this video and make sure you share it with your friends so that they can share these healthy recipes as well. Here behind me we have our ingredients. This is such a simple, easy meal that I just had to share. So I'm going to show you what we have. So obviously we have our chicken leg quarters. Now I just seasoned the chicken leg quarters on both sides with salt and pepper. These come with a pack of 4. I only use 2. After I cook them, I cut them in half and it feeds 4 people. Being the kids get a leg and then me and my fiance get a thigh. And then we also have some olive oil here, some aluminum foil, some salt, some pepper, and then the secret seasoning that I used for the chicken and I'll be using for our potatoes as well is this. It's called Table Blend from Aldi, and it has tons of spices. You can use any type of all-purpose seasoning that you have, be it Lori's seasoning salt, adobo. I've seen several. McCormick makes some. I have some of those as well. But that's what you want to use. And then here on this cookie sheet, this is what we're going to be using to make our dish. We have sweet potatoes. We just diced them. There you go. And then we have 3 pretty small, regular rustic potatoes. We cut them pretty big chunks. Then we just have some baby carrots. We have quite a few, probably about 15. Then we have a 1/4 of an onion, and I just cut it into strips. Cut your onion however you like. And then we also have some minced garlic. I just did 2 cloves of minced garlic. Now I'm going to show you how to season the potatoes and the carrots and all that. So we're just going to use some of the Table Blend. And this is a very easy recipe. I don't know why I closed this, because I knew I was going to do this with my camera like right in my hand, because I have a workout today. So I'm going fast. We have a live workout at 5:30 today on Facebook. If you ever want to join, go to Mommy is My Favorite Cook on Facebook. It's the group. And then you can join me for live workouts. And then we can see each other. Well, you can see me. I can see your comments. And that's pretty awesome. It's a great way to connect with everybody. And then now we need some salt. So let's just put some salt on there. About a teaspoon. That was about a tablespoon of the Table Blend. Then we're also going to use some pepper. Just regular cracked black pepper. Alright. Now you can season this however you like. This is how I season it. Now we're going to add, I'm trying to open it, some olive oil. So here we go with the olive oil. Just put it over the veggies. We want to do just about a tablespoon or 2. All right. Now we are going to mix these veggies up. I know they look adorable, but let me grab a spoon. Just a sec. What am I going to use? All right. All right, I got a spoon. We're gonna mix these veggies up. Break that potato up. I did cut it, I promise. There we go. All right, get the garlic on everything. I would use my hands, but I'm handling my phone, so I really don't want to use my hands right now while I'm also touching on my phone. It's not the cleanliest way to go. But I didn't feel like getting out the stand and all that. Oh my gosh, you guys, every time I season vegetables, I sneeze. Hold on. Excuse me, I held it in. Thank you. Thank you. I've been blessed. All right. So I think that there's tons of room on this pan. So I'm just gonna slide the vegetables over to the side and plop the chicken right on this pan. If you didn't have enough room, which I thought I wasn't going to, you would just put the chicken right on top of your vegetables, and then all the juices from the chicken cook into the vegetables. And I'm telling you, when I say it is good, it is good. It is amazing. This is going to be so delicious, so healthy. Your family's going to eat it. They're going to think that these vegetables taste like sugar, because when they roast, they get really, really sweet. So, oh, my sinuses from the pepper. So you can probably hear my dog. He's in the cage behind me. He's still a puppy, so we got to put him in his little cage sometimes. Especially when I'm cooking, because he will steal chicken. He's still crazy. I'm trying to think of how I can fit this. What is the best option for me? I'm thinking, okay, so I'm thinking like this. Not sure. I could go like that. Oh, but all right. It doesn't really matter. I could put some potatoes in there because they're all gonna cook together. They're all gonna be friends in the pan. So that's fine. Hope you guys can see. Don't look at my trash. All right. So I'm just going to cover this really tightly with aluminum foil. I'm going to cook it in the oven for an hour and a half on 400 degrees. That may seem excessive, but I like for my chicken to be falling off the bone, and that's the way to do it. If you could cook it for even 2 hours, that would be even better. If you only have an hour, it will be done, but it's just not going to be like super done. So it's up to you. I'm going to cook mine for an hour and a half, and I will show you guys the finished product when I'm done. All right, guys. Okay, we're back and the chicken is finished. I cooked it for an hour and a half in the oven on 400 degrees. I did put aluminum foil on top of the cookie sheet. I just want to take it off in front of you guys so you guys can see how delicious and amazing this recipe really is, even though it's very easy. Let's see here. So, steam coming out. I got lots of aluminum. Okay. Look at those potatoes. And look at the chicken. That is gorgeous. Alright, so that is the recipe. My little 5-year-old loves chicken, so he's going to be ecstatic that I made this today. You can definitely cook it longer. Remember, I said you can cook it as long as 2 hours. You could also remove the aluminum foil at the last 20 minutes of cooking time to kind of get crispier skin on your chicken. There's lots of things you can do. Make this recipe your own. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up and subscribe. Also, click the little bell next to the subscribe button so you never miss another recipe and you get notifications. All right, guys, have a good night. Bye.